Hey guys, I got another cube here, and this one's Elmo themed. This cube is a bit better than the cube from the first video. The turning's a bit better. The corner cutting is decent for a cheap cube. Plastic is actually not that cheap. Didn't break. Now, in the last video, I threw a cube out the window, but this time I'm actually going to be trying to make a trick shot with it. Well guys, the cube didn't break, so now I'm going to try the shot on the concrete. Box is going to be right there, and I'm going to be standing near the fence over there. Try to get it in. Cube's still fine. Cube is still fine. Cube exploded. Pieces don't look like they broke. This top part just came off. Well guys, I fixed the core. Now it's back to normal. So now I'm going to start building it back together. That took a while. I'm going to set up the same shot. Box right there. I'm going to be back there. cube exploded again. Core had 2 caps broken off. Well, this piece cracked right there. So it can't go back on. So I was able to fix the cube with some glue and tape, and I'm going to be destroying this cube in another video, so please leave some suggestions below on how I should destroy this. If the video is out already, please click on the cube and it'll link you to the video. Please click up here to check out my trick shooting channel, Jad Studios. And this video was entered in Joshua Rubik's 376 subscribers contest. So please click up here to check out his channel. And subscribe to him if you haven't already. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And click on this cube to check out my channel. And I hope you subscribe. You should subscribe to him right up there. Or you could subscribe to my trick shooting channel. You could watch this video if it's out. Check out my channel. Click one of the links. Nothing else is going to happen, just click on one of the links. Click on one of these.